Muhammad, it is not permissible to pray a minute before the due time of the prayer. If any person prays Fajr before dawn, Dhuhr before the sun moves away from its meridian, Maghrib before sunset, the prayer is simply invalid. Okay? Your second question, please.
Yeah. Here I see like when there is little rain, they combine Maghrib and Isha.
Okay.
So can I pray Isha with them?
Yes.
Even if it's raining little.
That's a different case. Yeah, that's a different case. It is permissible to combine Isha and Maghrib at the time of Maghrib because of rain. So that is something that the Prophet ﷺ approved and stated. But what you said earlier is a different case. You said that they pray Maghrib, then close to Isha time, and 10 minutes before its due time, they call adhan and they pray. That is not permissible because now this is not combining. Okay? Combining due to rain, fear, sickness, it is permissible. And especially in the rain, in the masjid, because people are given the concession to pray these two prayers and they don't have to come back to attend the jama'ah for Isha because it will be muddy and so on. Jazakallahu khairan, Muhammad. Thank you.